In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up to QuickBooks. If you're new to it, QuickBooks uses something called an Intuit account, which is a single login you can use across Intuit products. I'll walk you through the sign-up flow from the very beginning, and I'll keep it as simple as possible. This is a demonstration, so I won't complete an actual account at the end, but you'll see exactly what to do. Start by opening your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type QuickBooks Create an Account. You'll see several results. Look for the official Intuit or QuickBooks site in the results, and then select the option that says Create an Intuit Account. Choosing the official link helps ensure you're in the right place before you enter any personal details. Once that page loads, you should see an option to create an account. Go ahead and click the button that says Create an Account. This will take you to a straightforward sign-up form where you can enter your information. On the form, you'll be asked for an email address, a password, and a phone number. Use an email you check regularly, since this may be used for important notifications. When you set your password, choose something strong and unique to help keep your account secure. Think a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. For the phone number, enter a number you have access to. It can help with account recovery or security prompts, and using the correct country code and format makes things smoother. Before you submit, take a moment to review what you've typed. Make sure the email has no typos and the password is entered exactly as you intend. If you see any options to view the password as you type, that can help avoid mistakes. When everything looks good, click the button labeled Create an Intuit Account. That's the action that actually sends your details and starts the account creation process. Because this is a demonstration, I'm not going to complete the sign up on camera. The important part is that you've seen how to arrive at the correct page, where to click to begin, and what to enter in the form. From here, you would just follow any on-screen prompts that appear next. To recap, search for QuickBooks Create an Account, choose the official Create an Intuit Account link, click Create an Account, fill in your email, password, and phone, and then click Create an Intuit Account to submit. Keep your login details safe, and you'll be ready to use QuickBooks once your account is set up. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay these steps as you go.